here is another theorem, another rule to check whether the two triangles are congruent or not. So, theorem 6.2 is, the name is ASA congruence rule. Now I know that you all have got what I am doing. ASA means first I am taking angle, then side and then angle. It means I am taking two angles now. Previously I took two sides and one included angle. Now I will take two angles and one included side between the two angles. See, if two angles and one included side of one triangle are equal to the corresponding two angles and one included side of another triangle, then the two triangles are congruent. It is very important in all of the theorems, in all of the rules. First thing is that all of the parts must be corresponding parts. Without corresponding parts, we cannot determine whether the triangles are congruent or not. So let's see, if two angles, first of all, if I say I am taking this angle and I am taking this angle, these two angles I am taking. Now, which is the included side of these two angles? If I am taking these two angles, now which is this included side? Very good, BC. BC is the included side between these two angles. Similarly, corresponding to B, I have E, and corresponding to C, I have F, and included side between these two angles is EF. So, if angle B is equal to angle E, BC is equal to EF, and angle C is equal to angle F, then I can say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. You can check, corresponding to angle B, you have angle E, corresponding to angle C, you have angle F, corresponding to BC, you have EF. So it means if these three things, two angles and one included side, are equal of two triangles, corresponding parts, then I can say that these two triangles are congruent. Now tell me, if I am taking angle B and angle A, these two angles I am taking. Now tell me fast in the comment section that which is the included side if I am taking angle B and angle A. And similarly, you have to write in the comment section, if I am taking angle A and angle C, then which will be the included side between these two angles. Okay, so this was all about ASA congruence rule. Now, theorem 6.1 was given and we don't have any need to prove that. But we will do the proof of theorem 6.2. How it is proved, let's see how it is proved. So, for proof is, according to this rule, I am taking two triangles. According to this rule, I am taking two triangles ABC and DEF. Now, what is given? Two angles. Two angles means, let I am taking angle B and angle C of this triangle ABC. So, angle B is equal to angle E. It is given. BC is equal to EF and angle C is equal to angle F. Angle C is equal to angle F and BC is equal to EF. This all we have provided. Okay. Provided or given conditions are angle B is equal to angle E, BC is equal to EF and angle C is equal to angle F. Now, what do we have to prove? After given, we have to prove that these two triangles are congruent. And we don't know whether ASA congruence rule is true or not. We have to check whether this is true or not. If this conditions, two angles and one included side, these conditions are true, then we have to check then two triangles are congruent or not. So let's understand this. We had SAS rule. SAS rule was two sides and one included angle. Okay. Now given is this is all given. Now there are three conditions or there are three cases I have to take in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC and triangle DEF. First case that I am doing is now, if I take AB is equal to DE, this is already given, BC is equal to EF, I am taking AB is equal to DE. First case is this. Now, this is the assumed quantity. Let I am taking AB is equal to D. Now see, AB is equal to D, this is assumed. Angle B is equal to angle E, it is given. And BC is equal to EF, it is already given. Now see what I am doing. I am taking this side equal to this side. I am taking this angle equal to this angle. I am taking this side equal to this side. Two sides and one included angle. Two sides and one included angle. So by SAS rule, you can say triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DAF. And the reason is by SAS rule. SAS means two sides and one included angle. So first case is done. It means we have proved. What was the proof? To prove was, I am writing here, this was given, and to prove the main motive, our theorem is triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. Okay. Now this is the first part. This is the first case that we have proved triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. This was the first part. Now